In this video, we will learn how to calculate the cheapest combination of specific array items without using recursion. Hello, and welcome to the Python implementation of LeetCode problem 746, min-cost climbing stairs. The problem states you are given an integer array, cost, where the ith element of cost is the cost of the ith step on a staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. You can either start from the step with index 0 or the step with index 1. Return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. For example, example 1, input cost is 10, 15, and 20. Output is 15. You will start at index 1, pay 15 and climb 2 steps to reach the top. The total cost is 15. Example 2. Input cost is 1, 100, 1, 1, 1, 100, 1, 1, 100, 1. Output is 6. You will start at index 0, pay 1 and climb 2 steps to reach index 2. Pay 1 and climb 2 steps to reach index 4. Pay 1 and climb 2 steps to reach index 6. Pay 1 and climb 1 step to reach index 7. Pay 1 and climb 2 steps to reach index 9. Pay 1 and climb 1 step to reach the top. The total cost is 6. The constraints are the number of costs is between 2 and 1,000, and each cost is between 0 and 999. What this is really asking is, we have an array of costs where each cost represents the price to climb 1 or 2 steps on the staircase. You can either start from the first step or the second, whichever costs less in the end. You want to iterate over the array 1 or 2 elements at a time in a way where the sum of the elements is as low as possible. This rule applies from the beginning, meaning you can start from either the first step or the second step, whichever ends up saving money. This is a dynamic programming problem. We can guess this because it does not work on a linked list, graph, or range. It does not find a target value, minimum or maximum. It has small bounds, and it has an inefficient iterative solution. You might find this type of problem in other fields, including mobile and data rollover. For example, you want to use up the data allowance over some time with the fewest renewal fees. Pipeline packet scheduling. For example, you want to deliver a stream of packets using minimal energy. Or fitness training. For example, you want to complete the program with the least cumulative fatigue. If you're serious about acing coding interviews, I've got something that will help. Sign up for the LeetKey newsletter and get weekly LeetCode problems, detailed solutions, and proven strategies delivered straight to your inbox. Now, back to the video. You might be inclined to solve this by recursively checking what the minimum cost is to access each step for each step in the array. But this approach requires exponential time complexity because it requires a nested loop. A more optimal approach is to use dynamic programming to store 2 running minimum values. You can then move along the array once at each stage, finding the minimum cost and adding it to a running total. So that we always know the cheapest of the 2 movements, we also store the cost of the last known cheapest movement. Then we can update the running cost for each next step. You can continue this across the array until you reach the end. The final outcome is the cheapest of the last 2 steps. This solution iterates over the cost array only one time and doesn't create any unnecessary data. Let's see how to implement this solution. This solution uses dynamic programming to track the cheapest path to climb each step. Since we can start from either step 0 or 1, we initialize with both of their costs. We loop over the remaining items in the array to compare costs. For each step, find the minimum cost of moving up 1 or 2 steps. Then assign the current step to the previous, and then update the cost of the current to include the running minimum. We continue this until we reach the end of the array. When the loop ends, we return the cheaper of the two paths. The space complexity for this implementation is static, since we reuse the a and b values for any size loop. The time complexity for this implementation is linear, since we must look at each item in the array once to compare each cost. That was how to solve LeetCode problem 746, Min Cost Climbing Stairs. Thank you, Daniel, for subscribing. Next week, we will be looking at problem 198, House Robber. So subscribe and click that bell to get notified when that drops. And let us know in the comments which problems you'd like to see next. Please share this video with any programmers or aspiring coders that you think would benefit from its insights. It's word-of-mouth referrals like yours that really help this channel grow. You can get this video a few days earlier, plus other exclusive content on our Patreon.